In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your laptop or computer configuration. Let's begin. First, click on the search bar on your taskbar. Type System Information, then click to open it. Once it opens, you'll see detailed information about your computer, including processor, CPU, installed RAM, system type, 32-bit or 64-bit, BIOS version, Windows version, and many other hardware details. You can scroll through this window to see all your system specifications in one place. Now I'll show you another simple method. Open this PC on your desktop or File Explorer. Right-click on this PC, then select Properties. This will open the System Settings page where you can see additional details such as Windows Edition, for example Windows 11 or Windows 10, processor, installed RAM, device name, system type. And that's it. In this way, you can easily check your computer or laptop configuration and system information. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.